Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, we'll be discussing with you how to use StarPop Journey Cash Earning Game. So, you might be wondering what is StarPop here that you may be hearing or seeing online. So, StarPop Journey here is a casual star popping puzzle game for Android devices. Now, according to the official Google Play listing, if you do try visiting their listing in here, so according to their Google Play listing here, they do have what we call 500 plus levels to the game, and where you can tap groups of stars to reach target scores. Now it focuses on strategic tapping rather than traditional matching here. Now how to exactly use the game? So it works like any kind of game out there. So it's quite simple. It's straightforward. So you just need to tap the stars on the screen and try to create chain reactions and explosive combos while reaching the target score for each level. Now the game has three difficulty levels, so that's let's just say beginner, elite, and master, with increasing complicated star patterns as you progress. Now, as you progress into the game lets you earn gold coins, which can be used to unlock different teams and customize your game's appearance. So, if that helps. And also, there are also no time limits here, so you can plan your moves before tapping here to get the optimal score here. Now, currently, the Google Play listing does list the game currently at around 5 million plus download as of this moment. So if you try visiting it again here, and says the game contains advertisements, and the listing does not state that the gold coins can be converted into real money or withdraw as cash in here. So if you want to read more into that, they do have details on it on their on their about page in here inside Google Play Store. So in this case, instead, the stated purpose of the coins is unlocking teams and customizations. Again, you can go and just read this into their about page in here. So in simpler terms here, StarPop Journey is a 500 plus level tap and pop puzzle game where you strategically collect or clear stars, reach score targets here, and basically earn in-game coins and unlock visual teams. And also at the very top, you have the withdraw button here. So if you want to withdraw whatever you've earned inside the game in here, as you can see right now, you can go and click on withdraw if you do have enough uh, um, coins or currency inside the game. So yeah, if you're considering or if you're considering this as a money earning game, so doing your own research is highly recommended because the official Google Play listing describes the rewards as in-game gold coins for teams and customization, rather than advertising a cash withdrawal system. So it's more of a misconception about the game itself. So it's more about earning or buying stuff inside the game. So not actual currency or actual money that you can actually cash out. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So for this video, forget the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.